Monday, the Kerala High Court passed an order that brought into focus the debate around nudity, obscenity, sexuality and a woman's fundamental right over her body. In the controversial case of Rehana Fathima, who was charged under POCSO for letting her children paint on a semi-nude body, the Kerala High Court ruled categorically in favor of Rehana and held that the society's default view that the naked upper body of a woman is sexualized in all contexts is discriminatory. In that strong judgment, Justice Edapagat said the autonomy of the male body is seldom questioned, while the body agency and autonomy of women are under constant threat in a patriarchal structure. He also said that right of a woman to make autonomous decisions about her body is at the very core of her fundamental right to equality and privacy. It also falls within the realm of personal liberty guaranteed by Article 21. Well, joining us now, Rehana Fathima, who fought that case, joins us from Kerala. Rehana, thanks so much for taking time out to speak to us. Take us through the reactions that you initially got when you put that video out and juxtapose that to the reactions that you're getting now after the High Court order.
First time I put the video in YouTube and Facebook, all the people said that it's wrong. You are using your children to satisfy your sexual need. What are you doing like this? This is against the rule. All that thing. Then I told them that my kids are doing a artwork in my body. They think that my body is a canvas. And I told them that your mother and mother body is, you want to learn from your mother body and respect all the women in the society, because all are equal and we are respect all together, because we are human beings, and not see the woman body as a goods for your sexual satisfaction.
Right, very important.
I told all the society that the patriarchy society thinks that woman's body is anywhere seeing that woman's body part, they are thinking only in sexual thing or sexual object. This is not like that. Nudity of a woman is always not for sexual object.
So tell me, how did your children react, both when you asked them to, when you were making that video, as well as to the High Court order now? They're both teenagers, right?
Yeah, they are both teenagers, and they are very happy to hear that. And they tell me that one by one we make all the things truth that we done, and we get all the rights, and we get the good verdicts from court that we done here.
And personally for you, was there an extremely difficult moment? Just take us through what you went through as you fought this case.
Me and my children did not think that it's going for a case, or we are facing for this situation, but it is ultimately my children face a situation that they think that they make a painting in our mother body, and mother go to a jail for that. They are very much disturbed for that, because they are sending me 15 days in jail, and all the persons in this society, they are discussing that the mindset and what happening to children when they paint the naked body. The whole persons discussing about like that, because child have forced to do this. But I told them that this is not forced by me to done all the paintings in my body. They are doing all the things in their own choice. But the society thinks that I used children to do these things for my satisfaction. Not like that.
You know,
and
yeah, go ahead.
and my son, uh, he is very disturbed that he done that painting, and for that video, my mother called it for a case, and she is suffering so much for this. I take too much time to understand him that no, it's not like that. The person thinking, the person who see the videos, and the persons and society think that it is sexual content and it is exploitation of children. We are not done like that. So we are right, and we are using for what it is for proper. Society give proper education to children in a right time, because the growing stage of children, every time they have changes in their body, they want to realize the changes of their body, and if don't understand their changes, and they don't understand their body, they will always think that like patriarchy think that because we want to hunt the woman's body, and like that.
Right, right. You need to change the stereotypes in the minds, and you know, bring them over. You see, one part of it is the legal battle, right, Rehana, which is what the court has ordered. What do you think in terms of social battle? You think there has been a cultural change that is happening? Do you see a sense of people opening up a little bit more, willing to converse and willing to debate on these issues? Or do you still feel that we are a patriarchal, rigid society?
Now already women know that their children and their body, there is no hidden things in their body, and in between the woman and mother and their child. But the society thinks that after a 5-year-old boy or girl become how can become mother's body is a like change to sexual object. I don't know how can think people like that. When now the people is now the people did not understand what they are want to do with this type of thinking, because I want to change. Today's generation is the new generation will want to change the mindset that we want to know the body of a man, woman, transgender, etc., and we will equally treat everyone, and we respect all one. But now we know that the society facing very difficulties to women to survive in the society, because everywhere, every time, every moment, one girl child or one woman is
Right.
Is
Yeah.
it's attacked by a different type. How can I don't have words to express that thing.
In every stage you're saying that women have to fight a battle, and you think that it's time that we all stand up for it and make sure that we speak about these things openly so that there is a cultural change. Rehana, is there one last message that you would like to send to those who have criticized you? Because this is a very strongly opinionated topic. There are those who really are strong in their opinions and they criticize what you do. Is there something that you would like to share across, send across to them as a message today?
Only women have the right to their own body. We don't give our the right to judge or right to do anything in our body. Only we have the right in our body. Don't shame on your body. Just respect your body. That's fine.
That's the best. What did you, is there anything interesting in a way in which you explained to your mother or your relatives who are older about what you're doing? Had there been any challenges within your family in terms of explaining or justifying what you do?
In my childhood time, my mother did not tell me about my body and my body changes and menstruation, what is happening in the changes of menstruation. I don't know all that things when I'm a kid. When I am become 22 years, I read and understand what are the changes happening in my body. I told my mother and all older people, because if you don't know things, you don't give wrong messages to kids. If you know things, give the real messages and good things or good knowledge to kids. Don't misguide them, or don't connect with any system and community
Right.
types of stereotype things.
Right. Don't pass down stereotypes to your next generation. Try and break them in yours. And a woman has the right ultimately to her body. No one else can dictate what she can do with it. Thanks so much, Rehana Fathima, for joining us here on this. We'll hope that judgment creates a debate which is nationwide on an issue of great importance. Thank you so much for joining us.